The chapter is quadratic equations for standard 10. An aeroplane left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 kilometers away in time, it had to increase its speed by 250 kilometers per hour from its usual speed. Determine its usual speed. Let x be x kilometers per hour be the usual speed. Now time taken in this with this usual speed is equal to again the speed is equal to distance by time is equal to distance by speed. So the distance is 1500 kilometers. So time taken is equal to 1500 by speed is equal to x kilometers. So this is the time taken, this is hours. Now he is left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time. So he had to increase its speed by 250 kilometers per hour so that he can reach on time. So let the increased speed is equal to cover up the loss of time, he is increasing his speed. So the increased speed is equal to x plus 250. So the time taken will be, say, the distance is same only, so 1500 by x plus 250. Now with this usual speed, this is the time taken. With the increased speed, the time taken is this. So the time taken will be less because the speed has increased. So that here the time taken is more. So we will subtract 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 is equal to, it is 30 minutes. So 30 by, you have to convert it into hours, 30 by 60, that is equal to half. So now we will take 1500 out. So and taking the LCM, x into x plus 250, it becomes x plus 250 minus x is equal to, this goes here, so x squared plus 250x, and this 2 will also come here. So x and x get cancelled. So you get finally x squared plus 250x, x get cancelled, 250 into 3000 will become 75, 7 lakh 750,000 50. Splitting the middle terms, you get it as x plus 1000 into x minus 750 is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 750 and minus 1000. So therefore x is equal to 750 kilometers per hour. Ignore x is equal to minus 1000. So this is answer. The time taken by a person to cover 150 kilometers was 2.5 hours more than the time taken in return journey. If he returned at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour more than the speed of the going, what was the speed per hour in each direction? So let the speed of the onward journey is equal to x. So the time taken is equal to, speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed. So it is 150 by x. For the return journey, he returned at a speed of 10 km per hour more. So speed of the return journey is equal to x plus 10 km per hour. So the time taken again will be 150 by x plus 10. So here the time taken was 2.5 hours more than the time in return. So the difference between these two time is 2.5 hours, and here this time taken for the onward journey is more. So we have to write as 150 by x minus 150 by x plus 10 is equal to 2.5 hours, that is 5 by 2. So you can write this as 150 into 1x into x plus 10. So x plus 10 minus x, and this will become 5 into x squared plus 10x, and this 2 also will go here. So simplifying, you get it as x squared plus 10x minus 600 is equal to 0. So from this you get x plus 30 into x minus 20 is equal to 0, from which you get x is equal to minus 30 and 20. Therefore x is equal to 20. Ignore the negative value. Now 20 is the speed of the onward journey. So speed of the return journey is 20 plus 10, 30. Therefore the speed of onward and return journey are 20 kilometers per hour and 30 kilometers per hour. A train covers a distance of 90 kilometers at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the train. So we will start with, let x be the original speed. So speed is equal to, again, distance by time. So the distance is 90 kilometers. So time taken to cover 90 kilometers is equal to, distance is 90 by speed is x hours. So the speed is increased to by 15 kilometers per hour. So the new speed is equal to x plus 15 kilometers per hour. Therefore time taken to cover the same distance is equal to 90 by x plus 15. So now he would have taken 30 minutes less. That means the difference between the two is 30 minutes. So the speed, the time taken with this with the original speed, this time taken will be more compared to the increased speed. So 90 by x minus 90 by x plus 15 is equal to 30 minutes So we have to convert it into hours. So 30 by 60 is equal to half. So now this is the equation. So this is 90 x plus 15 minus x by x squared plus 15x is equal to half. So we get 180 into 15 is equal to x squared plus 15x. So the equation you get is x squared plus 15x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So you get it as x minus 45 into x plus 60 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 45 and minus 60. So we will ignore x is equal to minus 60. X is equal to minus 60 since speed cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 45. Therefore speed is equal to 45 kilometers per hour.